Imagine a winter wonderland, a place where the sun never sets in the summer and the northern lights dance across the sky in winter. Welcome to Lapland, Finland. Here you can visit Santa Claus village where it's Christmas every day. Or try your hand at dog sledding across the snow-blanketed forests and frozen lakes. Ever dreamt of sleeping under the stars? In Lapland, you can do just that, in a glass igloo no less. It's a front row seat to the mesmerizing aurora borealis. Did you know Lapland is also home to the indigenous Sami people? Their rich culture and traditions are an integral part of the region. So if you're yearning for an adventure that's truly out of the ordinary, Lapland, Finland awaits you. A land of contrasts where magic is real and dreams come true.